right, so today I will be tackling everything on, well, off of the deck. I don't know what this stuff is, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't care. I do believe that these things right there, these purplish vine things, are probably some type of raspberry, blackberry. What I'm gonna do is cut down all this old brush and then give this an opportunity to grow, see it, and see what it is, because this thing has to go. I have no idea what this is or why the previous owner grew it in a cage. I can only guess that it tried to attack them. Haha, so they put it in a cage, you get it? Oh well, anyway. Alright, so I have these, sorry, my selfie stick is a little loose. So this is what I'm talking about. You see this here? This is the same purplish, I don't know if you can see it, color that the vine I was just showing you is. And it's a raspberry. So I'm going to give that an opportunity to grow over there and see what it is. This is a blueberry bush, and you see it's also got the purplish, let me see, the purplish vine there. See it? So all of these are blueberries. I have no idea what these things are, these trees. So right now, I'm giving you a tour of what I'm going to be doing today. And basically, I'm going to try to clean all this up. All of this here. Because what I want to do is build some planter boxes. Like, just want to clean up a little around here. See what I have going on. I don't know what those things are. They look like tulips or something. And the dog's eating them anyway. So, I'm only one person. So, I'm going to start here. I have my gloves. I have my glasses on. That's my eyewear. And I have this little tool. I'm going to do that, and I'll come back to you guys when I have it a little cleaned up. Alright? Chopping things down. I mean, to be honest, for every tree or bush I take down, I'm going to put in a tree or bush. Unfortunately for me, none of these bushes are edible. You know, they don't serve any purpose except for pretty flowers, which you know, I purchased this property so that I can make somewhat of an edible landscape and a food forest. So the only trees we are keeping are the pines. I love pines, and I may actually purchase some dogwoods too. As you can see, I have been hard at work, and I'm not sure if I've also cleaned up back here. Let's see. The only thing I've left back here is this one tree that I may actually also cut down, because I cut the other one down. I mean, there was some kind of symmetry. I've managed to clean out a lot of it. I don't really take video of us working because right now I can't find my tripod, and I'm working here with a selfie stick. So yeah, and then this thing over here has got to go. This thing was riddled in daylily and daylily roots. I didn't know. I had to ask on a forum, but apparently these are daylily roots. And I think if I put these in a pot, they will come up next year. Not this year, because I've taken them down to practically the nub. But there are a lot of them here that are still alive, such as this one. And I yanked out this whole thing at once, so maybe I'd be able to get something to come out of there. There's one there. I didn't want this riddled in daylilies. I know I have some hosta plants growing, and I'm going to relocate those because I love the hosta plants. And, you know, we relocated a few over there, and I will show you that in the video for that section. Still have all this brush to deal with. I'm going to relocate these hosta plants. I'm gonna take those branches down because I thought they were raspberries or blackberries, wild berries, but they're not. That's pretty much all that's going on today. I will put another video up soon. See you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.